Hello all, welcome to another episode of GitHub Copilot. Today we are going to discuss a small topic on how to smartly rename the variables and functions. But before starting that, we have an exciting news for this new year. TechRill is going to start the live streaming soon. We will be having live sessions to clarify all your Copilot and GitHub queries. I will be updating the live stream date next week. Let us go back to our today's session, that is a smart renaming. How quickly we can rename the variables and functions with effective, meaningful names with the help of GitHub Copilot. I have opened some projects in VS Code with a Python code as of now. So if you want to rename any of the existing function names, here there is a calc_c, which I'm not understanding what exactly mean by this. So if you want to rename with a proper name for this function, select the function and go for F2, where Copilot will be invoked, and it comes with a set of meaningful names for your function. Here Copilot suggested to 4 names. Either calculate the total cost, sum price, compute revenue. Let me just replace with a calculate total cost. As you can observe that it's not only replacing the function name, it replaced the corresponding references within the file. Remember, this replacement is within the file. If you want to replace in a different file, use Copilot chat or edits. Let us see how to rename a variable. Here we have a D. So I'm highlighting the D and invoking F2 to get a suggestion from GitHub Copilot for renaming this variable. The orders is a meaningful name, looks like. So I just renamed and it's automatically changed the parameter because it's referred that parameter. Let us move to another example, the doctor controller, where we have a getAsync function. I need a little more descriptive, a proper name for this particular function. Here it's provided get doctor details async. That looks more detailed enough. So I have selected this particular one. But the issue is this particular function, that's a doctor controller getAsync function, is used within my main. So if you notice that here it's invoking that one. If you are looking for renaming this one according to the changed name, I can add both doctor controller and the main into the Copilot chat and ask Copilot chat to modify the main based on the changes we have done in doctor controller. Either you can go that approach or you can stay in Doctor Controller itself and ask Copilot to look at all the files in my workspace and identify the places where getAsync function of Doctor Controller is used. So as we are invoking at the workspace, indicate that I'm looking at the complete workspace to identify wherever I have used this getAsync, the name before I renamed this particular one. So here Copilot is identified that in main under the invoke doctor getAsync function, I have used this getAsync. Then there is a doctor controller. Inside that also getAsync is there. That's the main functionality where it's implemented. This is a simple and smart way of renaming your variables and functions with the proper names with the help of GitHub Copilot. Explore it. Reiterating, we are going live soon. Get ready for that. Thank you.